Okay, so still on images. Okay, so we want to look at more things we can do with images. Okay, so if we go back to our browser, if we decide to alter this particular image part and remove the e, then we save it and we come back to our browser, we'll see that our image is not showing. Okay, and there is nothing to tell the user what is in this particular place. Okay, so but with the alternate text, we are able to let the user know what is in that particular area. So we can use our alt. Okay, we can use our alt to say let's say banner. Okay, banner. So by the time we save that and we come back to our browser, we see that it has shown us banner. So when they see, they know that okay, there is an image here and the content of that image is a banner. Okay, good. So that's what that does. So it's always good that you use your alt when you are your alternate text when you are using your image. Okay, so let's save that back and let's come back to our browser. We have it here. Good. So you see that this is not clickable, right? You can't click it. So we want to create a link with it to go to TechiesReign's website. Okay, so just up here we can decide to open an anchor tag. Okay, then href. Okay, so we want to use an absolute URL, absolute style of URL. Okay, so then we want to have https. Okay, and our / then www.TechiesReign.com. Okay, good. So we are going to close it here. So we want to move our closing tag to after the image. Okay, so automatically we are making this image our link content. Okay, so that's what will be clicked on. Okay, so by the time we come back to our page. Okay, so I want you to see this properly. So let me reduce it. Okay, good. So you can see it properly. Okay, yeah, so this is everything. We created an anchor tag. We added our href attributes. Okay, we added our href attribute, then we added the link to where we are going to. Okay, then our image is in between. Okay, then we have our closing tag, our closing anchor tag here. Okay, so then we save it and then we come back here and then we click on it, then it takes us to TechiesReign's website. Okay, good. So that's how we can use our image as a link. Okay, we can use our image as a link, and when they click on that particular image, it takes them to that particular link we want. So you can decide to direct it to Google. Okay, you can decide to change our URL to Google. Okay, google.com. We save it. By the time we come here and we click it, it takes us to Google directly. Okay, good. So we have seen how to add alternate text to our image. Okay, we have also seen how to make our image a link. Okay, so yeah, so in the next video we'll talk about another trick and we'll continue growing. Do well to like, comment, follow and share. I'll see you in the next video.